Throughout the winter season, Carolyn couldn't escape the incessant noise that seemed to emanate from the depths of her basement. Night after night, she tossed and turned, plagued by the loud snoring that echoed through the walls. She complained to her family about the disruptive sounds, but to her frustration, no one else seemed to hear them. As the winter months dragged on, Carolyn's doubts began to creep in. Was she just imagining things? Could the stress of everyday life be playing tricks on her ears? The more she questioned her own susceptibility, the more isolated she felt in her struggle against the phantom snores. When spring finally arrived, Carolyn decided to share her strange experiences not only with her family but also with her neighbors. She hoped that anyone, would validate her claims and put an end to the tormenting sounds that had haunted her for months. However, much to her dismay, none of her neighbors had heard anything unusual. During the first week of spring, the mysterious noise escalated from a mere snore to a deafening roar. The unsettling sound reverberated through the walls, and Carolyn's family, now desperate for answers, rushed outside. Their timing was perfect. The basement door swung open, revealing the enormous muzzle of a large bear. Panicked and unsure of what to do, Carolyn and her family attempted to scare the bear away. Little did they know, there were 4 other bears hiding inside the basement, a fact they would soon discover. Fearing for their safety, Carolyn made a frantic call to the Bear League, an organization that specialized in safely relocating bears from residential areas. The experts arrived swiftly, ready to assess the situation. To their surprise, they discovered that the female bear had chosen Carolyn's basement as a hibernation spot for herself and her cubs. Last year, she had brought 3 cubs into the world and adopted another, creating an unexpected bear family in the heart of the neighborhood. It was an unforgettable sight, Carolyn later recounted to reporters. The 5 bears emerged from the cellar, their massive forms basking in the warmth of the spring sun. In the end, the Bear League specialists determined that the bears had completed their winter hibernation, and it was time for them to return to their natural habitat. The family of bears left the neighborhood on their own,